phone will be as
The Oppo A83 was launched in India on Wednesday, its new mid-range smartphone in India. The new handset, which features face unlock tech, comes with a price tag of Rs 13,990. In addition, the variant launched in India comes with 3 GB of RAM. The phone will be available for purchase through Amazon and Flipkart as well as offline retail stores starting Saturday. The smartphone comes in black and gold color options. To recall, the smartphone was launched in China late last month. The Chinese smartphone manufacturer has designed the A83 with its UFO curved design philosophy. Also, the new Oppo smartphone has a full-screen display with thin bezels and comes preloaded with the company's AI beauty recognition technology that uses artificial intelligence efforts to enhance selfies and group shots. The proprietary technology is touted to capture more than 200 facial points to refine features and compose the face contour with precision. The dual SIM, Nano, Oppo A83 runs Android 7.1 Nougat-based ColorOS 3.2 and features a 5.7-inch HD+ LCD panel with 18:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the smartphone has an octa-core processor, which is a MediaTek MT6763 SoC clocked at 2.5 GHz, coupled with 3 GB of RAM in India, and not 4 GB as in China. The smartphone has a 13-megapixel camera sensor on the back with an LED flash and an 8-megapixel front camera sensor. The rear camera sensor also supports Ultra HD mode that can create an image of 50-megapixel resolution. Similarly, the front camera sensor enables face unlocking, just as what is available on various existing Oppo and Vivo models. In terms of connectivity, the Oppo A83 has 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a GPS, micro USB, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The smartphone also has a rear-facing fingerprint sensor and comes with a pre-installed OShare file sharing app that is claimed to transmit 6 to 7 photos in just a second. The Oppo A83 has 32 GB onboard storage that is expandable via microSD card, up to 256 GB. Sensors on board include ambient light, accelerometer, and proximity. The smartphone packs a 3180 mAh battery and weighs 143 grams. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you like this video.